Hi friends, we are back with another video today. Just my cord here. So here is my dilemma. As you saw, I have done an unboxing or an opening of these cute little pandakin boars for my 2024 planners. Here's my concern. My last video, I ordered the green, like, Nevermind covers thinking that these would fit, and I don't like the way that these fit now that I've tried them more than just on the video. So I think what I need to do is fit them into these plastic covers. Excuse the glare. That being said, they are both a pinch, and by a pinch, I do mean a pinch too tall. And I don't know what you guys can see, but there's a black, like, rubber backing to the panda page, and then where the sparkly paper starts. So I'm going to attempt to trim this black dark rubber off of these two planners in order to be able to get the plastic covers to fit. So that's what we are here to do today. Wish me luck. Send all the prayers my way. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm just a little nervous because I don't want to ruin them. They're so stinking cute, and I'm worried that if I start to cut, that I won't be happy, but I'm definitely going to try to just cut the top, because the bottom, I will cut the panda if I cut the bottom. So I have my handy dandy Dollar Tree cutting mat. Got this at the Dollar Tree. It is a nice thick mat so that I don't ruin my desk pad. And my X-Acto knife. And we are just going to get down to it. So I'm going to apologize in advance because I probably will not do much speaking. I will probably be mainly concentrating. So this is the top. I'm just going to go as close to the black sparkly paper as I can. Okay, we're gonna have to do more than once. There was one. There's two. Oh, see, I started this thinking, oh yeah, it'll be simple, just cut it right off. Maybe if I would have done it with scissors. Maybe I should do scissors. Okay, there we go. I'm going to try to round the edge of it. Probably should not have tried to do that. It's going to be okay. Because I'm worried that if I put them in the green covers that I won't like them. Because I really do honestly just love the panda part. So this is way more complicated than what I thought it was going to be. Like I said, I really do love the pandas, so I wanted to keep them, and I'm worried that the white panda part will be dirty if I don't put something on it. Like, I don't want to not have a cover on it. These little guys are in my way. There we go. I'm so sorry if I am in the frame now as well. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to look way better because it'll be in the plastic cover, and that will make me happy. So let's do the other side. I think it'll be just fine. Hang that up once I'm done. But I do believe that I'm going to have to go all the way along this edge as well. It's not perfect, but again, it's coming out way better than what I expected, so I'm happy with that. So let's do the bottom. Oh no, I said I wasn't going to do the bottom. Okay. The front though, I think I need to do the front. Last little cut, and it should fit. Okay, I'm happy with that. It looks really good for my first time. Sometimes you just gotta do it, right? Just gotta do it. Just gotta bite the bullet and do it. Of course, we have dog hair all over everything. I'm gonna make it fit because I don't want to trim the bottom. Make it fit. Okay. Here's the front. This will all stretch out too. I'm not worried about that. Oh, so cute. Now for the back. Oh no. Look, it doesn't even fit. How do you stretch it? Doesn't fit. Bummer. I'm gonna bend it. Now I'm sad. Now what do I do? Well, that's a total bummer, total fail. I even like wrapped these around them like off camera to make sure that they were gonna fit around. I did this, I'll show you. Let me put this back on, safety first. Okay. So this is what I did before I even started the video. I took the cover and I put the panda in it like this. So you can see that if you trim it, it would fit. But now I've trimmed it and it don't fit. So now what do I do? Well, this one's definitely off more than the A5 is. And there's nothing more that I can trim. So. Now I'm scared to cut the A5 one. Should I cut it anyway? There's a lot of lip coming off of that. I think I'm going to do it anyway. And then try to figure something out with the smaller one. I've heard people use like hair dryers and such, but I don't know how that works. So maybe if someone can point me in the right direction. We're just going to go for it. Just gonna go for it. You ever sit in a place that's so quiet, you don't realize how quiet it is? So you're concentrating. I feel that way at work sometimes. I work in an office just by myself with the public. So the public does come into my office, but as far as staff, it's just me. And I will sit in the office and be, you know, minding my own business, working away. And someone will come in and they will ask a question and I'll have to look something up. And it's almost freaky how much you realize like how quiet it actually is once there's somebody in there. And I always say, do you hear how quiet it is? People are like, yeah, that would drive me nuts. Not me, I like it. I like the quiet. It's peaceful and calm. Okay, that's really good. I'm happy with that line. Happy, happy. So now, I'm gonna do the top. Oh, that's not very good. Okay. Oh, it was all the way through. Clearly, I'm not. Sorry if I'm making anybody nervous too with my fingers so close. I'm being careful, I promise. Careful as can be. Okay. Perfect. Now we get to go along the front. Stay on my mat. This mat's kind of tiny, but it's working perfectly. Just over here concentrating. I really am gonna be sad if this one doesn't work. Not gonna lie. Really am gonna be sad. Okay, looks pretty good. Moment of truth. That feels good. Please fit. Please fit. Please fit. Please fit. Yay, that one fit. Okay. That makes me so happy. It is a little wonky around the corners, but At least it's protected and it will stay white. And that, my friends, is what I wanted. I wanted for it to stay protected. It's like a glove. Okay. So now, how do I get this to stretch? I guess I need to get on YouTube and watch all you other friends, because I'm sure one of you is saying, watch me, I know how to do it, I know how to do it. So I guess that you put this on and then you try to stretch it with a hairdryer. Should we do it on camera? Would that be weird? We could go from a really quiet video to a really loud video with the hairdryer. Too funny. Do you think we should try it? I feel like we should. I feel like, what the heck? We're already here. In this place. In this space. Okay, I'm going to pause you and go get the hairdryer. I'll be back. Okay, planner peeps. I'm back. Got the hairdryer. I have no idea what I'm doing. But this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that if I get this into here, and we push it to where we want it, we can heat this part up. Okay, it's gonna be noisy. Quiet to noisy. Here we go. Okay, planner peeps. It did stretch a little bit. That was awesome. Welcome to my first hairdryer video. It will close, but it's like it's still got that wrinkle in it. And I wonder, I don't know if you can see, like, see it's still, it's like not stretchy enough here. So I'm gonna go a little bit more. Eek, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how pumped I am for this. And thank you for coming along with me. Okay, we got this. It's gonna work. Planner gods are with us. So I wonder if now that I've got it heated up, if I stacked like a heavy book on top of it. But look, no more wrinkles, you guys. It is a little, like it wants to pull the cover apart, but oh my gosh. I am so pumped about this. Friends, if you have never stretched a plastic cover, I am here to tell you, it flippin' works. You guys, how awesome is this? Oh, I'm pumped. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna stack this guy on top of it. And I'm gonna let it cool and let it be stretched. I can get him right straight underneath. Oh, friends. It worked. I cannot tell you how excited and happy I am about this. Tell all your friends. Lid on, safety first. Tell all your friends. Using the hairdryer works. I am proof. I am proof. Not that I had any doubts, but that was a lot that needed stretched. Like, I was worried. Oh, I'm so happy, friends. It fits. All right. Look. It just wants to bow a little, but you know, after use, this guy will not have a care in the world, and it will fit perfectly. I just know. It still has a little wrinkle, like you can tell. Not the plastic itself, but the cover does want to bow. The other thing that I could do is I could take the cover off and just do another really thin little sliver right there off of the back side. And that could be part of the problem. Like maybe I didn't cut it straight enough. Maybe it was already crooked, you know. But friends, look. Eek. I'm so happy. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Hopefully in my next video, you will see all the proof that it really worked and it really stayed that way. I believe that is all I have for this evening. Thank you for hanging out with me. Until next time. Bye, friends.